Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you guys having a problem where you need to find fuses for the electric coolant water pump on Volkswagen Tiguan for the generation here. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. By the way, after that, if you need to buy the replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So the engine coolant water pump fuses and relays, we're talking about a small recirculation pump, okay, also known as auxiliary water pump, because your main pump is actually, guys, driven by the engine, but you will have a secondary pump on some models known as auxiliary water pump. So here we need to go ahead and open the fuse box under the hood facing the engine on the right side. On the driver's side you have that fuse box. Slide this to the front, open it, and underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Here, guys, things will differ a little bit. Why? Because there is two different types of fuse boxes. One is from year 2008 to 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan, and this is the facelifted version 2012 to 2017 year model Volkswagen Tiguan. Let's explain about that one first. Here there is very limited information. We'll recommend to check fuse number 20, 23 and 24 here. Check these two fuses. Also, right here on the front, you may need to test all your mega fuses as well. Now, guys, okay, here the relay. Okay, we need to check one relay. And these two relays actually check both of them. This one is the main one, but check both of them as well. And if we come now here, okay, I want to show you. If you have 2008 to 2011, things will differ a little bit. Okay, but here what you will need to check now. Okay, specifically we're talking about fuse number 24. This fuse right here, and you have one more which is known as fuse number 17, and 17, guys, is this fuse right here. That's fuse number 17. Also check the relays here, but under the dash you may have another relay block, and here you may need to check specifically, guys, okay, another relay which is known as relay 8. Okay, that will be the diagram. If you want to see where all your relays are located, we have a video on the channel that's called VW Tiguan relay location and diagram. It will teach you how to get to them because you have many hidden relays, but the ones that we showed are on the left side, under the dash, on the left side of the steering wheel, under the dash, behind the storage compartment. So check out there as well, guys. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.